So here we have the 330i 4-cylinder with a lot of options, and it's comfort access, and it's very late because daughter has to go to school tomorrow morning, so we really need to go. Heads-up display, put the automatic in sport, as you can see. Here, sport 1, and we put it in adaptive, and we just go. And headlights will also be put on auto, as you can see here, auto. And we could just see if autonomous driving works here. Why not? Well, without any line in the road, it will not work. Speed, cruise control works, but not any autonomous driving, you can see here. And good feature, you can be able, if you want to, just do a home and then do option and kill this thing. Like that. And it's not glowing any LED light, it's just dead. But we want to have it open. I would like to have this sucker in full screen, but yeah, you kind of forget its touch. And I mean, basically this is a great car with an engine that is licensed. Oh, that's a 300ZX. That's a car you don't see every day. Anyway, it's a license saver, I would say, and quite low on petrol. But if you hammer it, it's 1.3 liter per 10 kilometers. But here's 50. I will not even brake. It's no problem. Did ESP go in there? I'm not sure. Let's go up to 80. But I mean, the feeling of the car is great. You could at least have 2 times or 3 times the power in order to be real fun. But I really like the concept of this modern car with all these modern options, modern BMW, and a small size. The drawback is small rear seat, no like air suspension, you know, bumpy, compared to the larger 7 Series or A8, etc. And I increase the distance here with 3. Just follow that guy. But I mean, if this would be like 500 horsepower, driving with a daughter or your kids, it's when you want to be self, you want to have this power. So and I mean, already after one day I kind of realized the drawbacks with autonomous driving. I mean, I was fiddling with iDrive and did complete autonomous driving, and yeah, I just cruised straight into a speed camera. It's like just bad work on my part. I I don't know why it's not waking up the autonomous driving here. The lines are a bit crooked, you can see. Oh yeah, there, I want to see. Ah, here. Don't know why autonomous driving is dead. Oh, maybe I disabled it. Or? Now. Wow, that was... okay, now I can just switch it with this button. Now I see. Error on my part, sorry. See how much power... Let's check out the G-meter. Är du trött eller? Lägg du och skicka baksätet och vila lite. But I must say, I mean, the people get interested in the car, especially other BMWs and cars in this range, Teslas, whatever. People like the design of it, you can tell, and they kind of admire it. So... Oh, I forgot. It's autonomous driving. I should have kept it in the same spot. What a moron. Idiot. Use your signal, moron. Yeah, idiot. I mean, how could you drive a Volkswagen, what you say, what is that? Scirocco and be racing, I mean, moron. If you're gonna race, use your turn signals. Anyway, I don't know if I'm like these displays yet, but yeah, what's my... This is my average, 1.1. I mean, it's low, but it's not like crazy low. I don't know if it's low enough to justify not getting a 340, or like if people want a diesel now or whatever, or a 330e electric might be a wiser choice if you really want low consumption without the diesel issues. Energy flow. I want the power meters. What the hell? Where is the power? Oh yeah, here we have it. Maybe. No, we don't. Okay, like that. I mean, it's a sporty suspension, that's for sure. Now I kind of forgot how I see the power use. Not carrying car. do autonomous driving again. Enable that sucker, if you can say that. But no, it doesn't find the... Now it finds lines for some reason. Maybe it has to drive for a while. I mean, it's a 3 Series for the brain. Maybe it's a bit too sporty spect considering the power. I mean, I could have easily a M340 with softer suspension than this, but just have the additional power. It feels like it kind of dies off at higher speeds. Eller kan du ta bort musiken? Kom med min film. Tack. Det blir ju liksom sån här copyright-grej liksom. Yeah, I kind of forgot how I see the sport, how the power is shown display. Strange. Yeah, this is nice lights. Like, not so fast cars, it's fun to just like drive into corners without braking at all and see how you can take it. i3, fantastic car. Oh, it braked a little bit. I want to see the power. Looking good. Oops. Eller hoppar upp och borstar tänderna och bara hoppar ner i sängen, så kommer jag måste parkera den här bilen. Luktar det vart? Okay, that's about it. Somewhat more night driving. I do some day driving tomorrow. It identified it, and let's make it work for me. This is scary. Don't scratch the wheels, please. This is doing it fast. Wow, the car is possessed. That was crazy. Okay, I need to do that. So if I want to leave the parking spot, can I do that? I don't dare to try. Shit, that car was possessed. So we need to be kind of quick before somebody takes this parking spot. Okay, let's do it again. That shit was crazy. Okay, we'll just drive like this. up to 30 it works, and P is enabled. Oh no, it wasn't. It was, yeah, for some reason I'm not sure how really to activate it. I mean, sometimes it finds it, sometimes it doesn't find it. So this switches on P, see here? It identified it. It wasn't clicked in there. Yeah, this is okay. Was only a checkpoint. Okay, now I do like this then. And now I want to be parking here. Yes. Okay, let's go. This is so scary. Oh. Okay. This is crazy. Let's see. How it works. Yeah, it didn't crash into the bumper. And not here. And very nice distance from the curb as well. That was impressive. Wow. One thing I liked with the comfort access is that it lights up when you approach it. Or on the driver's side it did. Maybe you need to be further away. I'll try.